Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing a shop my stash using things all the way in the back of the drawer. And I got this video idea from Emily Noel. I'm not even subscribed to her, but I just happened to see it, and I'm glad I did because it just so happens that about a week ago, me and my husband had a discussion slash argument, and the topic came up of my spending. It's no big secret, makeup is not cheap. Even drugstore makeup is not cheap anymore. And I mean, I can't lie. I will go and do multiple hauls a week because all these new things drop, and I want to do it because I want to be one of the first people on here to show stuff, because I think that the more new things I show, the more interest people are going to have in my channel, the more views I'm going to get, the more subscribers I'm going to get, and the bigger channel I'm going to become. Well, that's just not the way it works. Who are we kidding? I mean, this platform is so saturated with beauty YouTubers, it's disgusting anymore. The fact of the matter is that I am hurting my husband by doing this. I did an assumption video not long ago, and in that video, multiple people said, I assume your husband is supportive of what you do here. And whereas he's supportive of me making YouTube videos, I came out and said, well, he doesn't like that I buy all this makeup, but I do it anyway. And to him, that kind of felt like a fuck you, because I'm a stay-at-home mom. I don't have a job. Last year, I made about $100 through AdSense doing YouTube. That's just not enough to justify the amount of money that I spend doing this. So I have two choices. I can either stop doing this, or I can be smarter doing this. And whereas, you know, I'm still gonna get my subscription boxes, I don't get many. I just can't continue to buy every new thing that I see, which is basically what I do, because the fact of the matter is, I have more makeup than I could possibly use in 5 lifetimes. As upset as I was in the beginning, it's not worth hurting my relationship with my husband over. He's my best friend, and I don't want him ever to think that his feelings don't matter, especially for fucking YouTube. I mean, it's not that big a deal. It's makeup. There are people who don't have homes. There's babies right now dying with some disease. There are people a lot worse off than poor fucking me who can't buy all the makeup she fucking wants. So I'm gonna stop complaining and just be grateful for what I have and continue doing what I love, which is talking about makeup, even if it's not brand new makeup, and I hope you'll still join me. I also need your guys' help. I would love for you guys to, and I know I've asked you this before, but now I really need suggestions on videos that I can do while using products that I already have. So if you guys have any suggestions that you'd love to share with me, I would really appreciate any of them, honestly. So, having said that, we are going to go ahead with this video. And if you'd like to see Emily Noel's video, I will leave that in the box below. Here is everything that I've shopped so far. This is everything I've shopped. Let me get it all out real quick. A few things I grabbed multiples because I wasn't sure what kind of look I was gonna do, because I did kind of the stash shopping last night. So the makeup palettes that I pulled out were the Sephora Pro Warm Palette and the Makeup Revolution Life on the Dance Floor Guest List Palette. God, I haven't used this one in forever, but I never hear anybody talk about this. But this is my kind of palette. It reminds me of the Profusion Sienna's palette. And then the Revolution Life on the Dance Floor, which is like a orangey, I kind of just want to go into, I just want to paint my whole body this bright orangey shade. But anyway, I'll dip into this if I have to. I just got this as a maybe palette. I think I'm more so going to use this one though. For an eyeshadow base, I'm going to use the, I think this is Etude House, but I can't read Korean. I've used this a few times in the past, and I really do like it. Oh, it reminds me of the Urban Decay, like, original eyeshadow primer. Has a little bit of that, like, slippiness to it. Oh, and I also pulled out the Pill LUMI loose powder in case I wanted to, like, top it and just change the entire look completely. We're gonna go in with this bone shade right here. It's this matte shade, and I'm gonna put this right under my brow bone. And I'm basically just gonna use this brush for most of the eye look. what do we do now? We're gonna use this? I don't think we're gonna use this, so I will save this for an upcoming video. This is gonna come out blue. Maybe I'll probably use this to be annoying. We will do a halo eye. I'm gonna take my Alamar kind of flat concealer brush and I'm going to, I still don't know how to make, what to actually do to make a halo eye. I'm kind of just painting shit on my eye in the middle of it. How big do you make this, like, stuff? I don't know. Yeah. Oof. God. Doesn't make any sense with the eye look, but it's beautiful. Oh my God. That's fun. All right, let me finish the other eye and I'll be right back. It's like windy as shit out. We're supposed to take the kids to like the carnival later. I'm hoping that's still gonna happen. So for the face primer, we're going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy face primer. And I don't actually think I used this more than once. Oh, okay, this is like a champagne-y, pearlescent. Oh, that's shiny. That is shiny. All right. A little tacky. I do look nice and sweaty though. Oh, and I just used the PeriPera ink brow for my brows. I just did it off camera just to save time. And for my concealer, which I always do before foundation, is the Etude House Big Cover Cushion Concealer. I don't know what shade, oh, it's in vanilla. And again, I have not used this in a hot minute. Hopefully it's not going to oxidize. But I do remember this is very light. So I'm not going to do too much crazy coverage. All right, and now for foundation, we're gonna use the LA Colors Radiant Skin Nourishing Longwear Liquid Makeup. I got this for my Family Dollar, like doing my makeup with all the makeup from Family Dollar. And I remember oddly liking it. It doesn't have a ton of coverage, which I also kind of like. Actually, if I remember correctly, this hardly has any coverage. It's almost, I feel like it was almost like a tinted moisturizer, which I kind of like because my skin doesn't look horrible right now. So also I have a skincare routine video coming up soon, so stay tuned. Oh no, did this oxidize? Shoot. I have a feeling it, for some reason now I'm thinking, shit, did this foundation like oxidize? I feel like it did, but like kind of in a nice way in that video. I don't remember. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, it's oxidizing. Oh, good. So I guess I'm gonna look a little bit tanner and dewy, so that's fun. Oh, and this is in the shade Beige. They do not have a good line, at least where I got it at Family Dollar, so they did not have a good extensive range there. All right, so now for powder, we are going to do the Urban Decay Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder in Light Neutral. And can I just say, I miss the Naked foundation, the Urban Decay Naked. That was like one of my first high-end foundation purchases, and I don't even care that it smelled like fucking spray paint. It was one of like my favorite foundations ever. I'm definitely looking orange too, I can already tell. Hopefully I don't look too orange on camera. Guess I'll find out when I edit, huh? This definitely gives you a matte finish, but it's like a smooth matte. Like this definitely gives like a blurring effect to the skin. I do remember really liking this. Next we are going to bronze, and I got out my Morphe. This is a blush palette. My Morphe Lo-Fi 8L Highlight and Contour Palette. And, oh, it looks so warm. I think I'm gonna go in with Donut, which is like the least offensive color in here. Extremely careful if possible. I don't know how I feel about this brush. This is one by Japanesque, but it's like a dupe for the Nars. I don't know the name of it, but everybody always raves about this brush. I found this one at Marshall's for like $3.99. Yeah. And I've been using it, and I mean, I'm used to using like this as a bronzer brush, so maybe that's why this feels weird to me, but I don't know. I'm still kind of just getting used to it. All right, so now we're going with blush, and I reached all the way in the back of my blush drawer and grabbed the Wet n Wild Centerstage Fergie blush in Around the Clock blush, and this totally reminds me of Nars Orgasm. Like it even has like microscopic gold glitter. It's beautiful. It's got like that pinky coral shade. I'm definitely feeling like I'm looking orange and silly. Going with some highlighter. We're gonna do the Dose of Colors I See You Baby instead of I See You Baby. Get it? I don't know how I feel about this highlighter. I never did. I was really excited about it when I got it, but the texture of it is so strange. Like, it's very pretty, but it definitely doesn't translate as well. Like, look at that. Like, I'm rubbing it on my hand, but look how much is left on my finger. Isn't that the weirdest thing? I don't know what you would call that problem, but it's a like, look how much is left on my finger. It's the weirdest thing. Going with my Morphe R36 brush. I mean, it definitely picks them up and it's definitely pretty. I guess it just bothers me that so much gets like left behind on your finger. Like, this swatch is so weird. I mean, up close it's okay, but I mean, my skin definitely looks like pretty textured. Let me put on some lashes, smoke out my bottom lower lash line, and then we will pick a lip color, and then we will see the finished product. So I'll be right back. Finish the eyes, I put some lashes on, which still have glitter in them from one of the past videos I did that I had fucking glitter on my eyes. All right, so I picked out 3 lip products, so I didn't know what kind of eye look I was doing. Obviously, only one of these are even at all suitable for this eye look, but I have to swatch these 2 because these just happen to be amazing colors that I pulled out. So we have NYX Liquid Suede in Life's a Beach. I feel like, isn't this supposed to be a dupe for Jeffree Star's Watermelon Soda? I feel like it is. Like, look how pretty this is. And I've never worn this. So I'm going to put this in my, like, to-use drawer because I want to wear that. This is Fiona Styles Liquid Lipstick in DeMille, which is also beautiful. Actually, this is really pretty. This kind of reminds me of the Bite liquefied lipsticks, like the formula. And I think the one I'm actually gonna try and use today is actually an old favorite. This is the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Milkshake Liquid Lipstick. The shade is like so pretty. And for some reason, there's a ton of liquid lipsticks that I have tried that have like a sponge tip applicator, but this one just seems to be perfect. I don't know why. It's like the perfect size, the perfect shape. Like, you can messily put it on and it's still looks like perfect. I don't know what it is. And the last thing I grabbed is the ColourPop Aventurine Crystal Setting Spray. It's for calm, it has a calm mattifying effect. I don't think they sell these anymore, actually. Oh God, this is gonna completely soak me. Oh, I love anything that smells like cucumber, just FYI. All right, and that was it for the Shop My Stash using things all the way at the back of the drawer. So let me know what you thought of this video, and also please, again, let me know some suggestions you guys have for any videos that you guys would like to see that don't require me to buy every new fucking thing that comes out. So thank you guys so much for watching, for all your support, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.